Díochait, conas atá tú, is mise Dane. Hello, how are you? I am Dane. Tá mé go maith, I am good. Tá mé go húntach, I am wonderful. Dearg, gurm, bán, buí, dubh. A hen, a dó, a tree, a cathair, a cúig. So in less than half a minute you've learned a basic introduction, you can count to 5 and you know 5 colours. Think how much more Irish you could learn if you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new Irish language video. I make regular videos describing Irish phrases, words, grammar and lots more. So if you would like to learn more about this ancient and beautiful language, then please subscribe. Slán go fóill.